Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to see what is inside this next installment of the Card Deck Club by Hay House. I am so excited because Hay House sent me this early so we can all get a sneak peek. So if you saw my last video on this, I was very well surprised with how much we got and what we got. So you're guaranteed a new release and you're guaranteed 3 items in your box, plus a bunch of other exclusive things too that's not included in the box. They have web seminars as well as educational content, and I even got a downloaded thorough tarot guide as well. So it's very, very cool. This costs $29.99 and shipping is $7. So you're paying the price of one deck and you get 3. So let's open her up. I'm so excited. I really enjoyed the first box that I received, so I cannot wait for this. All right. This says, "This is the only time I get to live today. I choose to enjoy it." All right, okay. This is what we're getting. Warm greetings to you. This season is a celebration of healing, self-love, and spiritual guidance to help you live your very best life. Inside, you'll find 3 brand new decks, including 2 exclusive early releases, one of which is a new pocket-sized edition from our very own Louise Hay, who we know would have loved the Card Deck Club. So we're getting the Healing Waters Oracle by Rebecca Campbell. Oh, I'm so excited because that was on my list. And the Healing Spirits Oracle, a 48 card deck and guidebook by Gordon Smith, and Louise Hay's Affirmation for Self-Esteem, a 12 card deck for loving yourself. As always, thank you so much. Watch for the next box coming in September, delivering moon messages, ancient wisdom, and a pocket-sized fave. Oh, okay. Let's get into this. I am so excited. So here is the affirmations for self-esteem. Everything is packaged so nice. So this is $9.99 in the US or $12.99 in Canada. Okay. And then we have the Healing Spirits Oracle. This is by Gordon Smith and art by Naomi Walker. 48 card and guidebook. Retailing for $22.99 in the US and $29.99 in Canada. Whether you're looking for solutions to deeper mysteries of your life, protection from fears, help with healing, or finding your true purpose, the Healing Spirits Oracle is the perfect tool for finding guidance, spiritual awareness, and healing on many levels. Call on the frequency wisdom of the spirits and open yourself to the incredible and loving world beyond. All right, that looks interesting. And then I am so excited for this one. The Healing Waters Oracle, a 44 card deck and guidebook by Rebecca Campbell and artwork by Kate Louise. Okay, this retails for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. From the watery world to the mother to the sacred waters of this world, the physical and mystical element of water has been revered since ancient times as holding the power to heal. Unlock the sacred wisdom of the waters and your innate capacity to heal with the stunning oracle. So you just got your money's worth out of all of that. That is so exciting. And like I said, there's so many things to look at that is exclusive to only Card Deck Club members. So I watched a Kyle Gray video about accessing the divine. And I also, like I said, got that downloadable tarot guidebook, which was really cool. It was chock full of information. So all of the videos look really interesting. There's also meditations. I did a few of those too, which were really nice. It's hard finding a good meditation that, you know, you can stick to or that you vibe with. And then there's also discount codes that you get sent into your email in your inbox. So be on the lookout, read all of your Hay House emails. Don't put them in the spam because there are deals and early access stuff there as well. So I am so excited about this. I really do enjoy this because you can choose to have it be a little bit of a surprise. They'll email you prior to your subscription box coming out, and they will even tell you, hey, if you want to be surprised, stop scrolling now. Or if you want to know what's in your box, continue to scroll on down, and it will allow you all the info of your next shipment. So I think it's fun. I think it's great. I love being surprised. However, sometimes I need to know what I'm getting. So this is fantastic. Have you guys utilized this yet? Or is this something that you are still on the fence about? Like I said, this is a great, inexpensive way to get quantity for not a lot of money. So you're going to basically get 3 decks for the price of 1. So this is a great way to start your collection, put more into your collection, especially when it comes to the new releases. If it's something that you were already interested in purchasing anyway, this is a great way to kind of consolidate and get everything all in one. Plus, like I said, all of the added extras, it's just, to me, a great subscription box and worth the money, because if I'm already going to purchase one, I might as well get a couple others that, you know, I am excited about. So especially if it's decks that I wouldn't go and necessarily purchase myself like this. This is something that I would maybe down the line purchase, because I do like the other Louise Hayes affirmation decks that I have, the older ones. So I probably would have down the line purchased this, but not when it first came out. So that's really cool. It's neat. I really enjoyed my first box. I thought it was full of fun stuff as well. I like the littler decks that are starting to come too, because it's almost like a little treat. Like I said, I think it's great. I am so excited to continue getting the subscription boxes. The subscription boxes come every 4 months, I believe. It's quarterly. So they'll, again, tell you when your next one's going to come. Like I said, September's is going to come, and I am excited about that one too, with the moon messages and ancient wisdom. So yeah, please let me know if you have done this subscription box before. I know a few of you who have told me you love it and you've been enjoying it. I am going to be doing an unboxing video of all of these separately, so you get a really good in-depth look at all of this. But for now, that is what is in store for your card deck club. Oh, there's also a webinar with Rebecca Campbell and Gordon Smith that is happening strictly for the card deck club members. So for this box. So I'm excited. I want to check that out because I am interested to tap into the mind of Rebecca Campbell. But I am so excited. Please let me know all of your thoughts on this. Again, thank you so much to Hay House for partnering with me with this. I so appreciate it. And thank you guys for hanging out with me and for your support. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Which deck are you most excited to see out of this box? Let me know that too. Thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.